Hi, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever thought about your thinking? I know that seems like an odd concept. Let me say it again. Have you ever stopped and thought about the thoughts going around in your head? Sometimes when we act a certain way, it's because we have a thought going on in our heads. And sometimes that thought can really be our enemy. So today, what I want to do is go through a math problem, and I want to see if I get frustrated. And if I do get frustrated, I want to stop and think about what I'm thinking. Are you ready? Come with me. Okay, here we go. A rectangle had a width of 2m, 12 cm. The length is 4 times the width. What is the perimeter? All right, I have no idea what I just read, so I'm going to read it again. A rectangle, okay, I know what a rectangle is, had a width of 2m. M. What do you think they mean by M? Oh, meters, that's right. Okay, so there's a rectangle and it has a width of 2m. 12 centimeters, oh, look at that. So it's 2 meters and 12 centimeters is the width. Okay. The length is 4 times the width. 4 times. So the length is longer than the width. Wonder if it would help if I just drew a rectangle, and it wouldn't have to be these measurements just so I can see it. Okay, what is the perimeter? All right, let me just get this rectangle here. Okay, so the length is the long part, and it's the long part because it says 4 times as many. So 4 times, this is my length, this is my width, and this width is 2 meters, 12 centimeters. And this is 4 times that. What is the perimeter? Perimeter. Look, it's got the word meter in it, and I'm using perimeter. Oh, that's right. That's when we go around a shape. It's the distance around, not like area where it's like the inside. This is around like a fence. Okay. So I need to know all the way. Oh, I need to know all 4 sides for that. All right, let me stop and think. I've got this side. Oh, what do I know? I know that a rectangle has 2 equal sides parallel and 2 equal sides parallel. So that means if this side is 2 meters, 12 centimeters, then this side is also 2 meters, 12 centimeters. Okay. Now how am I going to figure out this side? All right, let's see. 4 times the width. 4 times. So what if I take 2 and I multiply it by 4? What is 2 times 4? 8. Okay, 8 meters. And what if I take 12 and I multiply it by 4? Let's see. 40. 48. Okay. Now, if this and this are equal, then this and this are equal. Okay, whew. Am I done? What is the perimeter? Oh, I'm not done. Now, here's where I get nervous. I gotta take all of this and put it together. I don't want to. That looks like so much work. So many numbers, and I gotta line them all up, and oh man. I don't feel like it. I don't want to. My head starts to spin. All the numbers kind of move around on the page. I gotta put all this together. Look, I gotta go like this. Oh my God, I just have to put all that together. I don't want to. Wait, let me think about my thinking. Do I really not want to? I really don't want to. Why don't I want to? What thought is going around and around in my head? Oh, you know what? This is the thought going around and around in my head. I'm just so afraid that with all those numbers, I'm gonna mess it up. I'm so afraid with all these, there's so many things to put together. It's overwhelming. I'm so afraid. But you know what? Let's analyze this. Mistakes. Do you make mistakes? I make mistakes too. You know what? Mistakes are okay. Mistakes are okay. I don't need to be afraid of making mistakes. Making mistakes is human and normal. And if I make a mistake, that just means that I get to learn something. It's an automatic lesson. Mistakes teach us things. Mistakes are good for us. They are not bad. And so I don't need to be afraid of making one. Okay, now I'm gonna go to this. I need to find the perimeter that's all the way around. I'm gonna go. Okay, I don't need to be afraid of making a mistake. This is 4 meters. Okay, I'm doing all right. This is 24 centimeters. I'm doing all right. Okay, this is 8, 16. Okay, I'm gonna regroup. 96 centimeters and 16 meters. Okay, so now this is this and this. Now I'm gonna put this together. It's all right. I can do this. Now, you get something and do some writing. I'm going to get something and do some writing. And we're going to meet back here in just a second. You ready? Get a pencil, get a piece of paper. Ready? Go. It's okay. Making mistakes is okay. It's okay. Okay, here's what I got. You ready? I got the perimeter is 20 meters 120 centimeters. Wait a minute. This looks a little funky to me. Hold on. I know. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So now, what am I going to do with this? I'm so afraid. No, I'm not afraid to make a mistake, because making mistakes is human and teaches me things. It's okay. There's 100 centimeters in 120. What if I take that 100 and I pull it out and I make another meter? If I pull out 100 centimeters and I put it over here, I'm going to pull it out and I'm going to put it over here. That means I will have 1 more meter, 21 meters, and I will have, if I take out 100 centimeters, I will have 20 centimeters. And this is the perimeter of my rectangle. Whew. Now, I need to remember, and you need to remember, mistakes are not the enemy. Mistakes are human. Mistakes teach us things. And you don't need to be afraid of making a mistake. And I don't need to be afraid of making a mistake. You keep up and think about what you're thinking, because you can grow and learn just like me. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you so much for challenging yourself. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Take care of yourself.